in case you went to prison. We desensitised, we looked at videos of Mountjoy prison.
And then you think to yourself, are my imaginings less severe than it's going to be? Am I living in a pretend world where it's going to be worse? Is it only the separation from my loved ones that's going to be the hardest part? Will the actual physical part of being in prison be okay? Madness. These people are going to judge you. It's a human nature to judge people, and that's not a risk you can take even with one juror. My jewellery is an integral part of who I am, and I know it's shallow and it's silly, but that's just who I am. Having to remove the jewellery, having to lessen the lipstick, don't wear so much eyeshadow, don't have your tattoos on show. Basically, don't be who you are, so that the pretense is the initial impact these people get.